Hi guys, I'm getting there. I'm on to the final touches. It's just so funny. I'm just thinking about the first and second attempt that I did, and the trials and playing around and experimenting while I have the opportunity. I definitely still not happy with these eyes, and I've kind of made. I just have a thing for lashes, I think, and I just made them too girly. So I zoom it up a little bit closer for you. Oop, go in the right direction would help. That's about as close as I can get without actually bringing it to you. There you go. Now you can see these lashes. I definitely got to add some more white onto them too, and that'll help soften out the little flare there. They're just a little too long, a little too dramatized, not really realistic. Okay for a cartoony kind of person, but um, or character, animal. But definitely I'm really trying hard for the realistic. So I got to do some more work there. And these guys are actually shaping up nicely. I'm liking those. But still, the whites of the eye is too human-like. I've got to adjust those a little bit more. Bring them a little bit around the bottom there a bit more. I've been examining about 50,000 different pictures of these dogs, different variations. You can see beside me, I've got the original that I'm working on. And then this is a new one that I found. I went on their Facebook and scoped their photo albums to try to find more pictures, different angles. Again, now he's facing the wrong way. But I'm still getting a little bit, of how his chest looks. This is where I'm at now, is trying to figure out. This is just too plain looking, and I'm seeing on the other pictures. I thought they were a little bit more straighter hair, but he's pretty curly down here too. So I'm gonna definitely add a little bit more quirkiness to him. And then I have another couple pictures here on the side that I found as well that really shows the curls a little bit more. I wish Sean's hands weren't in the way there to see their chests a bit more, but I think I'm happy with what's going on in the direction of looking curly here. Once I start with the liner brush, then I'll definitely be able to pop these up a little bit more. And he's still looking a little darker than this guy, so Tanner and Sandy's are their names, but to be honest, I can't remember which one's which. But I'll find out tomorrow when I talk to them, which one's which. But he's definitely a little bit darker, although he's in front. So this is the challenge I'm having: is when anything is in the front, it's usually lighter than the stuff that's in the dark in the back. So, but he's darker. So I am going to try and lighten this up a little bit more and still try to keep these tones defined here a little darker on this guy. So yeah, I thought I'd give you a little update on what's going on and straighten this out, back it out a little bit so you can see the whole thing again. And yeah, I'm actually quite excited here and got to get painting again. Finish this up today. I must love deadlines. Happy painting, guys. Can't wait to see your work.